No more Adobe app hopping? That is the real promise behind Adobe's new Claude connector. The headline sounds like another AI integration. But the useful part is simpler. You describe the creative outcome, and Claude can call Adobe tools across Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere, Lightroom, InDesign, Express, and Firefly. So instead of thinking, open Photoshop, blur the background, crop the portrait, export it, then resize the video for shorts, the workflow starts to look like one sentence: make this campaign asset ready for Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and the web. According to Pixel, Adobe says the connector can access more than 50 pro-grade tools, and it is meant for multi-step creative workflows: portrait retouching, social assets, video resizing, reframing, and asset creation. That matters because most creative work is not one magical image prompt. It is the annoying glue between tools: choosing the right app, remembering the right menu, resizing the same idea 5 ways, and moving files from one panel to another. The winner is not the person who never learns creative tools. The winner is the designer, creator, or marketer who can turn intent into a rough finished asset faster, then still jump back into Photoshop or Premiere when taste actually matters. And that is the catch: this does not kill craft. It kills a chunk of the tab hopping, panel hunting, export format busywork around craft. Adobe is also testing Firefly AI Assistant, which brings the same idea into Firefly itself, a conversational agent for simple and complex creative pipelines, while keeping users in control of edits. My take: this is one of the more believable everyday AI shifts, because it does not ask people to trust a robot with taste. It asks the robot to handle the boring handoffs. If you make content, the habit to watch is this: stop asking which Adobe app you should open first. Start asking what finished asset you actually need. The software stack is becoming the background.